For me, fall is a feeling. Fall is something that reminds you of family days, cozy nights, and just spending time with the people you love. And fall also reminds me that pretty soon is going to be the holiday and Christmas season. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Glad it's here. I'm so excited you guys are back for another house tour. Thank you so much for all the love and care that you have shown on the previous one. Today is actually a very special one. Stay tuned. So I have showed you guys how you can decorate for fall without it being feeling too much, without it feeling clutter. As you guys know, I love the simplicity when it comes to decoration, but I love my place to feel warm and cozy. This was my home decoration previously downstairs, and you guys loved it. On today's video, what is special about it, guys, it's not just a home tour, it's not just a decorate with me, it's not just a fall time. Today's video is a collaboration with one of my sweet friend here on YouTube, Didi, and I know you guys know Didi. Didi loves to decorate her home. She's a mom of 3 now. When I met her, she was only a mom of 2, but she's a mom of 3 now, and she loves decorating. So today we are going to decorate our home and show you guys how to make what you already have, work for you, and add certain things new here and there. And I know you are going to enjoy this video. Before we go anywhere and start doing any type of room tour or any type of anything, I have to cozy up my house by putting up some fall videos on YouTube. If you have been here for a while, you know I love making a house into a home. I love making my place feel cozy. And this is why I think I actually love fall, because I love how my house looks around fall time, Christmas time, the colors, the brightness. I love it. Those 2 chairs, oh, my Christmas chairs. I love these chairs. I got them from Facebook Marketplace. I'm telling you, everything upstairs is literally secondhand from Facebook Marketplace or Amazon or things like that. They're very inexpensive, and that's what I love to do. You can create a beautiful home, a cozy home, without spending so much money. And that's my motto here. Guys, I wanted to make the furniture not feel so boring and so plain, and this is why I added this beautiful throw blanket. I feel like the chunkier the throw blanket, the better for the colder season. You can lay down and watch some movies and grab it and feel, so warm and cozy inside. Guys, you can have a minimal home and it does not have to be boring. Let me say that again. Minimalism does not equal lack of no color. I love my home to be simple, but when it comes to around the holiday times, I love incorporating colors. I love bringing warmth into the house. So again, minimalism does not equal to no colors. If you don't like any colors, for you, that's fine if that's what you associate with minimalism. But just remember that that. Adding some colors into your furnitures, into your decor, does not take away from you living a clutter-free life. So I went to RH a few weeks back and I got some of their coffee table books slash brochures, should I say, and it really inspired me with the pop of green on there and just how they decorate so simple and so beautifully just really inspired me. And what I really want to do on this credenza and slash table here was to really bring the color of, fall, but most importantly, the coziness without doing too much. If you have not started decorating for fall yet, hopefully this will inspire you to do so. You can grab the things you already have at home, and I haven't purchased anything new, just grabbing the things I already have and working with them, moving things from the bottom, your living room, and bringing it to the top floor, or from your family room and bringing it to your living room, bedroom, vice versa. You can definitely shop your home, and this is exactly what I have done this season. Shopped my home, and I just love how everything turned out. Really wanted to make it very cozy, not only with the colors but with the candles and the warmth. Guys, stay tuned for my kids' reaction. You're going to love it. They're so precious. I literally do all of these for my little kiddos, for them to know that there is difference in seasons. When it comes to fall, the color blooms, the color transforms. I'm bringing that from the outside inside of the house, so my kids know the scent of the house. When it's fall time and Christmas time, we literally have this scent in the house, which was the candle that I burnt out earlier in the video, and the kids love it. Before we go any further, guys, I want to bring you guys to a week or two where I went out foraging for some pine cones in my neighborhood. It was so much fun. It's such a beautiful day. It's so cool. It feels so cozy. And I'm here outside foraging for some pine cones instead of purchasing it. I love these. I found really big ones. Beautiful big ones. These are actually really pretty. Out of everything that I got, these are really beautiful. What do you think, guys? Have you ever thought of foraging for some pine cones outside? Do you have any pine tree? Or do you think you could just go to the store and buy it? I thought it was very fun grabbing my own pine cone and choosing what I really want. And what you can do actually is to add some essential oil on them and bring some of the smell, the aroma onto the dry pine cones. And I think it was really fun doing so. Okay, guys, let's continue decorating. This thing was a talked last season. Everyone asked where it was from. Again, I'm going to link it in the description below, but they're my Amazon fire pit. I love them. They're table pit, so you can use them for marshmallows and anything like that to have around the fall and winter season. But this is perfect if your place feels very cold. Guys, add this to your house. It's so hot. It was chilly when I was filming that day, and just turning this thing, lining this up, the whole upstairs felt so warm and so cozy, and I was like, ooh, it's getting really hot over here. I have to turn this out. If you're new here and this is the very first time you're seeing me and you're coming from Didi's channel, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button. I would truly appreciate to have you guys here. And for all my subscribers, please go and show some love to Didi. Her link will be down the description below. Let her know Gladys sent you. You don't even have to let her know I sent you. Just like the video and comment. Just participate. But I wanted to make here super cozy, and by bringing out that lamp, guys, it just made it here feel so warm and cozy. Stay tuned to stay all the way to the end for you to see how the night view is. Oh my God. After I finished doing this, I just wanted to take a little seat and just chill. It just brought me so much warmth and joy into my heart. But let's tour the house, guys. Guys, my kids' reaction just brought me so much joy. Every time I do it, I clean and decorate the house for a new season. I want my kids to see it after I do it. So I brought them upstairs to see and look at their reaction. They were so happy and joyful and just wanted to sit and cozy up already. You know, this is why I do what I do, you know, just building a home for my family, you know, my kid, my husband, my family. And I hope you guys truly enjoyed this video as much as I enjoy filming it for you guys. God bless you guys. See you guys into the next video. Bye, y'all. Bye-bye.